Bad IAT sensor symptoms. 1. Starting difficulties. Yet another prominent sign of IAT sensor failure is starting difficulties. Due to the inability of a vehicle's ECM, PCM to determine correct fuel trim values, an engine's ability to start without issue is placed in jeopardy. 2. Illuminated check engine light. In almost every instance, the presence of a faulty IAT sensor will cause a vehicle's check engine light to illuminate. This occurs when a vehicle's ECM or PCM stores one or more fault codes attributed to such a failure. 3. Misfires. As an intake air temperature sensor begins to fail, random engine misfires often come as a result. Again, this is due to the lack of accurate temperature readings, as a vehicle's ECM, PCM attempts to determine proper fuel delivery. 4. Rough or erratic idle. A faulty IAT sensor will often cause a vehicle's engine to idle erratically, or to stumble noticeably at a stop. This is due to an engine's inability to accurately determine the necessary air-to-fuel ratio for efficient combustion. 5. Poor fuel economy. You might also notice a little extra pain at the pump if your engine's IAT sensor is on the verge of failure. Increased fuel consumption often comes as the result of overfueling, due to out-of-specification intake air temperature values.